Hey guys, welcome to our Tuesday video. I've been trying to be way better about this. These are the files that I send to my Silhouette VIP group, and I'm trying to give you more table space so you can actually see what I'm doing instead of me having to hold it up every single time. So I thought this would be a good angle, even if it means I have to scrunch down to talk to you guys, which I don't mind. Okay, so you guys are probably stuck inside still. We are too. And so I've just decided to be a little more vigilant about making you guys videos, giving you free files. And if you would like to get my free files that I send out every week, it's just part of my Silhouette VIP group. All you have to do is click on my profile link, or you can go to KarinaGardner.com and click on exclusive VIP and you'll get put on the list, and I send out a file every single week. So this week I put together my butterfly. This is a butterfly motion card and it's for free, of course. And so I'm going to show you really quick how to put this together. It's really simple. If you want to use hot glue, you can put it together really fast that way. I'm going to use stick glue for part of it. So you're just going to basically line up your opening edges here. So I'm going to put glue on the back of this first piece, and you're just going to line up the holes right here, just like that. You can see how that is. And then you have a second one. Now, usually, you know, I am a big fan of pop dots. I love pop dots, but these motion tags, because you are creating a little motion piece to it, you can't really use pop dots. It will make it far more complicated. So no pop dots, just use some stick glue. This is a great project if you have your Silhouette machine or your Cricut machine at home and you have my SVG file, which is what I send you guys, an SVG file. So if you're a Cricut user, you can download my free files as well. This is a great project to do with kids and they'll think it's so darling, okay? All right, so now's the motion part. Well, let me fold this for you guys so you can see that's what we've got so far. So the motion part is this little butterfly and we want it to move across this little piece right here. So you should have cut out 2 dots that look just like this. One of them has score lines so that you can fold it in half, just like that, okay? And so what you're gonna do is this piece you will want hot glue for because it'll stick much better and much faster. Put a little bit of hot glue on this and make sure and line up this, but you're basically creating a tiny little handle. Can you guys see that right there? You're gluing just one side of it to the other circle so that you've created for yourself a little handle, okay? And then this piece, you are going to connect to this butterfly through this right here, okay? So you have to put a dab of glue right here somewhere, okay, so that it's going to stick to it, and make sure and not get it on the card, and then glue this piece to it. So you can see how I've glued it on right there. And you just need a little dab of glue, just little, because you don't want it to touch your other pieces. And then once it's dried, you will be able to move it because it's a cute motion card. Isn't that darling? Super fun. The cool thing is this will lay flat for you either way when you send it. And maybe you know someone who's struggling or having a rough time, or you haven't been able to see because they've been shut in, they've been on quarantine. Like all of us, we're all stuck inside. So this might be a fun way to send them an I love you, or I'm thinking of you, and use hand sanitizer before you put it together. I have my trusty hand sanitizer right here that I use every time I walk in here, and just make them a cute little motion card. Isn't that fun? Okay, I hope you had fun making this with me. If you want to get my free files, any kind of machine that you have, I send out SVG files, so it works for your Silhouette machine, your Cricut machine, any other digitizing machine you've got. And you can get on that list by clicking on my profile and choosing VIP, or coming to KarinaGardner.com and clicking on exclusive VIP. Okay, see you guys.